The life of a 23-year-old student in Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University of Science and Technology was cut short after her boyfriend hacked her to death in the wee hours of Friday morning at a guest house in Bondo town. Kevin Ugutu with that report.
It was a day of tears at Kowur village in Rongo, Homa Bay County, following news of the death of Valerie Apondi, a woman described as polite and warm by her relatives.
Ana neno. Ukikutana yeye ana smile tu, tumesafunga tumerudi.
She was polite. She only talked when you could talk to her. And she was lively and loving to all. She was caring. She was also like a mother to us back at home because we are many girls.
A night out with her boyfriend at a little-known J&J guest house in Bondo town ended in the dawn tragedy as police say they fought over infidelity claims. The suspect is in custody awaiting to be arraigned in court next week.
The room was full of blood. Connie was arrested and brought to the police station, waiting to be taken to court of law. The body of the deceased was removed to Bondo Hospital mortuary.
Kevin Ogutu, KTN News, Siaya County.